Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you're a low maintenance girly like me who likes to look nice but does not want to put in a lot of time and effort, you're going to love L'Oreal True Match. It is a light and comfortable makeup with a nice smooth formula. It glides on evenly and blends really quickly. I like to use this mainly in the winter when I want to mimic that summer glow that I've lost. I love that it's the same great formula as before, but just with a pump. So it's really easy to dispense and I don't have to worry about contaminating the rest of the bottle. I have combination skin and this doesn't leave me feeling either too dry or too greasy, and it definitely does not have a cakey feeling. Sometimes I forget that I have makeup on. So if you're looking for a low maintenance way to even your skin tone, this True Match is going to be a great match for you. And that's my point of view.